subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo has launched its new 5G smartphone in China called Vivo Z6, and it is the successor of last year's launched Vivo Z5 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Z6 5G features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.74% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU, and it supports liquid cooling technology that protects the phone in extreme conditions. For gaming, the company has added Multi-Turbo 3.0 and Game Space 3.0 feature. The device packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Vivo Z6 5G supports quad camera setup on the rear, which includes 48 megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. On the front, there is 16 megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch with f2.48 aperture. The handset runs on Android 10 out of the box based on FunTouch OS 10, and it comes equipped by 5000 mAh battery with 44 watt super flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.99 by 75.71 by 9.16 mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Z6 5G has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 2,298 Chinese yuan, and for 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2,598 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in China from February 29th in Aurora Black, Interstellar Silver, and Ice Age color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Z6 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.